Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm Dr. Ghosh, your host, and I'm here today to share with you 23 Vastu principles that promote good health. The channel, The Ancients, was started on 3rd February 2021. Please do join our channel, The Ancients, to get information about the principles of astrology, numerology and Vastu for success, prosperity and health. Today, we are going to look into astrology and Vastu principles that promote mental and physical health. Health is wealth. We all know that. And today, in the environment we are sustaining it, health is a primary concern for us and our family members. Vastu has laid down some important guidelines to prevent illness, whether mental or physical, prevention of negative energies at your residence, and promote mental and physical health. Today, I'll be sharing with you 23 principles of Vastu and astrology that promote good health, physical and mental. Let's start. Always face the north or east while eating. This promotes good digestion. And good digestion is the basis of good health. Face the north or east while studying or reading. It prevents loss of memory and promotes retaining of whatever material that has been read. I have shared with you earlier videos of plants that are good for your residence and some plants that are good for health. I especially mentioned the citrus plants and holy basil, that is commonly known as tulsi. Having tulsi in your residence purifies the air and promotes good health. Avoid cactus, bonsai and milky plants like rubber at your residence. They add to the stress and strain and lead to mental and physical problems and stunt the growth of children. The master bedroom should always be in the southwest. There should be no bedroom in the northeast. This leads to stress and strain and promotes ill health. Avoid staircase and toilets in the northeast. A staircase and toilets in the northeast lead to ill health. It hampers the growth of the children in the family. Always while sleeping, keep your head to the south and foot to the north. This is the best sleeping position for promoting good health. Keeping your head to the north or to the west is not recommended. Especially keeping your head in the north while sleeping will add to stress and strain and aches in the body. Avoid keeping any beds in storage spaces. Having beds in storage spaces or storerooms leads to heart and brain problems. For your bed, I always recommend a wooden structure. Iron and other structures are not recommended. Avoid sleeping under beams in your bedrooms. They lead to depression, headache, and memory loss. This is a very critical Vastu principle. I'm repeating again. Head in the south and avoid sleeping under beams. No mirror should be there in front of your bed. Your reflection should not be seen in the mirror when you are sleeping. Keep all gadgets such as mobile phones, laptops away from your bed so that their waves do not affect your sleeping patterns. Eat facing the north or the east. Drink water while sitting down only. Avoid cold water. Have normal bedroom temperature water and have it facing east or north. You should never have a kitchen in the north or northeast. It leads to serious health problems and accidents. Do not share a kitchen wall with a toilet wall. Again, this leads to health problems. Drinking water should always be stored in the northeast or northwest. No staircase in the center of the house. The center of the house, which is also called as the Brahmasthalam, should be left totally free. If you see our old village structures, residences, the central courtyard always was left open to the sky, and there was a tulsi plant in the courtyard. Always. The Brahmasthanam should be free for interaction of all the natural elements. Grow plants, indoor and outdoor plants, to reduce the stress and strain. In an earlier video on the same channel, I've shared with you plants that are very good for your residence. Some of these plants are the basil plants, citrus plant, banana tree, jasmine tree, gende ka phool, neem tree, bay leaves tree, curry leaves tree. All these trees, sandalwood trees, are very, very good for your home. Amla tree. Keep these in your garden. For promotion of good health, keep a Hanuman statue in your residence facing south. This promotes good health. For those of your family members who fall ill regularly, encourage them to wear yellow or orange clothes. Also, paint their rooms walls in yellow or orange. In addition, if that is not possible, you could keep their bed sheets and pillow covers in yellow and orange. Last but not the least, avoid clutter at your home. On Saturdays, declutter your home. Throw out all material, instruments, gadgets, especially iron and steel material which have become damaged. This will promote good health. Friends, I have shared with you 23 tips of Vastu that bring good health to your residence. I request you once again to kindly subscribe to the channel The Ancients by hitting the subscribe button and also pressing the bell icon so that you get updated every time I bring a new video for you. I would also like to share, please share these videos with your friends and family so they too can take the benefits of astrology and Vastu principles to promote good health in their residence and for themselves and their family members. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video about Vastu, astrology and numerology on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.